What's going on, everybody? Today we are taking a look at a clip from Dapper Design. Let's see what we got here. I'm not really sure why I have an Amazon card, because I didn't buy this at Amazon. I bought it straight through Dapper Design themselves. It does give you the maintenance and everything that you need to know about the clip. Nice little aluminum tin. Yes, sirree. Okay, we got a black and a silver keyring, screwed together keyring. If you're not familiar with these, all they do is they're meant to feed through and then put your keys in there and just screw them together just like that. And then you have a keyring. They're pretty cool. Got to be careful. Some are stronger than others. Some of them out there that you can buy, I've seen guys snap them pretty easy, so kind of at your own risk. So this is a pretty cool little clip. Obviously you put your keys on there if you want, or you can just use it as for what it is, which is a actual knife. And it's a Tanto. So you got a nice little Tanto there. Let's see. A little on the small side. Yeah, it's probably squeaking out about an inch. You're not going to scare anybody too much with it. So if you need a secondary knife that you're going to break out in public and you don't want to scare anyone, which I kind of like the idea of scaring people, even when I'm just opening a package. So pretty cool. Nice and sharp. Super pointy tip on there. We get some focus on there. Yes, no, maybe. So, it's nice and pointy. Got a nice Tanto blade on it for such a little knife. It's basically, oops, I just got myself sharp. So it's basically a kind of a friction folder. It's got a locking. You can hear it. Locks closed and kind of locks open. And it is adjustable by the screw right there, which they do give you instructions on how to adjust the pivot screw to make it tighter or looser to whatever you feel you want, however you want it. So it's pretty good. The blade sits down there real good. I can't catch the blade at all, even with really trying to stick my finger in there. I can't grab any of that blade at all. So it sits down there just enough to where it's not going to catch on your pocket or anything like that when you're sinking it, your keys and everything in your pockets. This part of the clip goes on, usually on the outside, so your keys are in your pocket, but you can obviously hang it any way you want. If you want your keys bouncing around outside your pants, you can put it on the outside. So pretty cool. Titanium. It's got some flexibility there in case you're really getting into, if you want to try to slide it into your belt or something like that. So pretty cool. I saw it. I was like, yeah, I gotta take a look at it. I mean, because it's got a Tanto blade on it. So we had to get it for that. I honestly don't remember what I paid for it. Yeah, probably should have remembered that part, huh? I don't remember what I paid for it. I want to say it was like $100 or something like that. So it's not cheap. It might have not have even been $100. I don't even remember now. Not cheap by any stretch of the imagination. I do remember that, but it's a unique piece. If you're really big on the EDC like I am and kind of collecting unique pieces, this is definitely a unique piece. I mean, there's not a lot of clips that come with a Tanto knife or a knife of any kind. I mean, there's a few of them out there that have somewhat of an edge for kind of cutting, but this is a genuine knife. I mean, that is a sharp edge. A little hard to get focused in there, but it's a sharp, aggressive Tanto, so it's pretty cool in that regard. So, yep, that's the Dapper Design, guys. Nice little pocket clip. You got your key ring holders. So if you want to take a look at it, I'll throw a link in the description. And we'll catch you next time. Make sure you like the video if you enjoy this content. And make sure you subscribe if you want to see more Tanto knives and EDC gear in the future. Have a great day, guys. Bye.